Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can change your username in X app or Twitter. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put likes, write your comments after watching this video. And let's get started. So, let's open up app X. And now we need to go to our profile. On the top left-hand side, we're going to click on our image. And then we'll go to Settings and Support at the bottom. And then we're going to go into Settings and Privacy. Here we go to the very first section. This is our account. And next we go to Account Information. Here, as you can see, we have a username section. If we click on it, we can change it. To do that, where the word username is, we click. And now we can add a new username. We click Continue. And we can enter any username we want. The main thing is that after you enter the username, you should see a green check mark here. This will mean that the username is still available and you can use it. And after that, in order to save the change, you will have to click Done. And you'll be able to change your username that way. That's how you can change your username in either the X app or Twitter. I hope you found this video useful. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, write your comments and give us your likes, and see you soon.